When I think about prophets, I think that it's important to realize that the role of the prophet is to be an intermediary between God and people. So the prophet speaks to God on behalf of the people, and the prophet also speaks to people on behalf of God. And so what that looks like, I think, in religious life is sisters are being prophetic when they are saying or doing the hard thing that people don't want to hear.